Okay guys, Monday, February 16th. I got my date right now. Yeah, Saturday was the 14th, Sunday the 15th, today the 16th. Oh well, we're sitting at, I don't know, -5 they say. Feels cold though. So it's a Monday and we're on Clark. This is Clark, really nice. I like Clark. And in Milan, just before Plateau. I'm going to see if I can go up the Mont-Royal by the YMCA off-road track. I don't know, it's cold, my fingers are frozen, my face is not bad, but my finger, oh my god. So, I'm not going too fast either right now, because I could go fast, you know, 2 motors, speed 3, no problem, power there. But, you know, it's a bit nippy. We're about lunchtime. Let him go. I go after. Yes, sir. So anyway, we're Clark. Running on Clark. And we might just get to the mountain. It might take us one part. But I like to ride here. There's a nice man on the left with a cat with a bagel in the mouth, or a fox. Looks like a cat. Yeah, 2 cats. It's a very busy place though, lots of tourists. No parking because of the bike path as well, so it's not easy for them. The city, you should see how they clean their street. Look at their street, look at ours. That's the answer, my friend. Sorry, my nose is like maple syrup. Not maple syrup, maple tree. Walensky is doing his facade. He's been there for a long time. Maybe he's closed on Monday. Yeah, Fairmount Street, bagels. People waiting outside. Yeah, waiting outside, bagels. Wood burn. Onion there. Pretty good. They're hot when you get them. Oh my god. You could eat 5 or 6. Could be dangerous. Well, we all have a stop here. One right there. Like that is now on the street. And with the mask swing, my winter, my do it all. Summer, spring, fall, rain, hot, cold. She does it all. Okay, it's always shitty on that part, my friend. Oh, good. That's like bike path, imagine. I'm gonna have to move over. Yep, bike path is right here. We're gonna take a first right. Oh, hopefully you're gonna see me, I'll see. I'm not going to take this section. We're taking a right here on the Villeneuve because it's a pretty shitty bike path. And at least we're going to be on a one-way. And this is nice, the Portuguese market right on the corner here. Been there for a long time. We're like in the Portuguese, Spanish, Brazilian neighborhood. Starlight. Alright. So we're going to take this canet to bring us to the Mont-Royal. I don't know, maybe this one is good. Yeah, that's it. That's good. That's not bad. Yeah, mountain is there. Oh, what is that? Wow, I didn't know that. There's a bike path on this canet. Oh my, 2 motors now. Gotta be watching. I have to be careful. I'm just gonna slide through. Sliding through. My goodness. Okay, try to slide through. My goodness. They put a lot of salt. I clean it all out when I get back home. WD-30 and Shugu. Not Shugu, what's the other one with the orange can? Anyway, the Louboutin. So, I'll let buddy go by. Let's see if I can go by here. Okay, let's see if we can go this way. It's not a very good way, but we're gonna go. For you to that texture, by the way, I'm just gonna go with one motor to be safer. Speed 3, one motor for long and long park. My goodness, it's really bad. So I think going to the mountain is gonna be the same. Footsteps. Just footsteps. We're gonna take a right on the next one. Might be better. Because this is really crazy. Huh? Footsteps. Can't go too fast. There's a runner coming. Yep. Maybe crying. Runner coming. We're on soft pack, hard pack, call it pack, winter pack. Going towards the mountain. So maybe this finished the first part. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for riding. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following on Nordic Skiing. Oh my goodness. Man, we got one motor. When one motor, I make a Jeep. Not too fast. So let's see if we can go up the mountain. I'll see how much time I got here. So we're crossing Monks next to the Mont-Royal Park. I'm looking oh, yeah, this is really pushing it. Pushing it. I think the entrance. I see it now. I see some large XTRs and maybe some walkers. Maybe not. Anyway, I don't think so. I think it's gonna be like last time I went. Very bad. I see the time here, guys. We're getting close to the intersection. Oh, let's take the intersection. I got 20 seconds to cross. Okay, an opening. It's like a porthole. Okay, I check the time. 7 seconds. 7 minutes. Well, we got 4 minutes. So maybe we could start another one. So anyways, that's the first part. Thanks for riding, guys. Oh, I leave it on? Okay, I leave it on and we'll follow up. That's what you say. We go for it. Let's try. See if we can go. Gonna depart. Yeah, it's just up back. But we can. I'll have to find an area where it's flat. But yes, that's it. I might be able to get to the mountain. The top. So we got 4 minutes on this part. 4 minutes on this part. And seems to be better. Walkers. We got 4 minutes on this part. And we'll be another 12 to the following. So let's see if we can get there. We're gonna go too fast. Yep, it's me. Crazy Joe. Oh wow. Speed 3, one motor. Nice track for the Nordic ski. So I think we're gonna try to go to the Beaver Lake. I like the Castle, but to the chalet. See the ice skating rink. I'd like to see that. And this is nice and smooth, my friend. Too bad I gotta pass those guys. Nice and smooth. Beautiful. That's what I was expecting. Hopefully not slushy. Very hard pack. Oh, where are those guys going? Can't go, man. I'm on a solid, nice white piece of hard pack snow. Beautiful. They scraped it this morning. Beautiful. Not too many footsteps. People coming again. I gotta move. Try to go on the other side. But that's where the footsteps are. So, go back there. So anyway, that's the first part, guys. Thanks for watching. We're going up Mont-Royal. Let the guy go. Thank God for the BMW suspension. I guess I'm going fast, eh? Yeah, sometimes it's crazy, you know. Bonjour. Yeah, they must say, who the hell is that? So, yeah, thank God for those tires. So we'll try to take the curve here. It's a big curve. Carving. Oh. Merci, monsieur. Carving. Beautiful day, Nescafe. Oh, who said that? No, beautiful day. Very nice. And I was hoping not to have too many people on the track because it's a holiday all across Canada except here. Except here for people working. I really want to be on that side, eh? My goodness. I know it's nice and clean. Nice and clean. It's like a dream, you know? White everywhere. Thank goodness for sunglasses. So I'm not going nuts because I have pedestrians also and I don't want to break my nuts. I'm going this way, I'm going this way. Okay, let's try to move a bit. We're in the shade. Where am I going now? There was a crossover. Oh my goodness. Yeah, they have competition here. Did you see the track? How well it is? They go up, they go down, they do a marathon. It wasn't like that last time.